Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss how we can link JavaScript in our HTML document by using the script element. Okay, so if I just go inside of the documentation on MDN, this is the script HTML element. Okay, the script HTML element is used to embed executable code or data. This is typically used to embed or refer to JavaScript code. Okay. So what I can do here, so I can just go just after the main tag here, just before the ending body tag, and open up the script tags. Okay. So inside of the script tag, I can write some JavaScript. So console.log, and let's say something like hello world. Okay. So this is the JavaScript code which we have. And once again, if you do not know JavaScript, please don't worry, just follow along. I just want to show you how you can add JavaScript to your HTML code. Okay, awesome. So this is the demo JavaScript code here. Okay, so if I just go here, now how we can see that? We have to go inspect, and here we are having this console, and as you can see, we are getting hello world. Okay, it is getting from index.html. Okay, awesome. So this is how we can write JavaScript. And then once again, just like CSS, like if we add all of the JavaScript into our HTML file, then this particular file will be cluttered quite easily. Okay, so what we want to add an external JavaScript file inside of our HTML page. So how we can do that? We can do that quite easily. Just get rid of everything right now. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just open up this folder, and here I will add JavaScript or JS for short, and then I can create a new file, app.js here. Okay, awesome. And now what I can do, I can write some JavaScript code. So console.log, and let's say, hey, I am JavaScript code. Okay, awesome. So now we are having, hey, I am JavaScript code. Now what we have to do, we have to link up this JavaScript. Okay, so if I just go to the browser, as you can see inside of the console, there is nothing. So what we have to do, we have to go here inside of this particular place, just after the main tag. Okay, and just before the ending body element. Okay, let's add the script tag once again, and here instead of writing any sort of JavaScript here, what we have to do, we have to go inside of the opening script tag and just add the src attribute. So that is for the source, and what we want to include here, we want to include // for the current directory JavaScript, and after that we have to include the app.js file. Okay, so hit save. Now if I just go to my console, as you can see, it is saying like, hey, I am JavaScript code. So in that way we can link the external JavaScript files by using the script element inside of HTML file. Okay, so in this way we can include the JavaScript file inside of the HTML file. Okay, all right, so this is how we can include JavaScript inside of HTML.